Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, itong reading natin for fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. For those of you na gusto magpabook ng personal reading, hanggang August 2025 na lang po ako magpapabook or mag-accept ng reading, personal reading. And so, ito yung details. Para doon, punta ka lang sa Facebook page namin, Madam P. And then, para makuha mo ng discounted price, all you have to do is i-search mo yung bandang Sibol and i-like mo lang, then i-follow mo yung page namin na yan. And then, yeah, you will get the discounted price for the personal reading. Let's start. This is for the sign of fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. General love reading. Pag di ka nakaka-relate, huwag mong kunin yung reading. Bigay mo sa iba. Yan, may mga next readings pa naman tayo. You do have your trust, and then you do have your deception. Ito yung main energy ninyong dalawa ng person na kakonect mo. So, sa nakikita natin dito, nagtiwala ka ng husto dito sa taong to, no? And, still now, you are, umaasa dito sa person na to, which unfortunately nakikita natin na pwedeng ikaw ay niloko, hindi siya naging totoo sa iyo, hindi siya naging honest with regards sa kanyang emotions and so on and so forth. So I feel like this person is a person in your past na yung iba pwedeng may separation na naganap sa inyong dalawa. So anyway, ano yung emotions niyo sa isa't isa? You do have the King of Clover, the Three of Hearts, Ten of Clover. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Clover. Six of Diamonds is at the bottom of the deck. Two of Spade, Jack of Spade, and Queen of Hearts. Okay. So, for what I can see here, I feel like nag-expect ka talaga na itong person na to is like, let's say, the one for you. So, you miss the person. You miss the person. And with the King of Clover, nakikita natin, you're trying your best to be, like, hindi magpa-apekto sa nangyayari sa inyo ng person na to. But deep inside, nandun yung longing, na nandun pa rin, nag-hold on ka pa rin sa kanya. And lalo na with the Three of Clover, you miss the person, gusto mo talaga siyang, maybe, bumalik sa buhay mo. You want reconciliation. Kasi mahal mo yung tao. And with the Jack of Spade, I'm seeing a person who is very immature, unfortunately. Alamin natin, what's with the Queen of Hearts? Well, gusto niya yung that Ten of Clover is nandito, nagpakita rin yung sa side mo. Gusto niya yung pagmamahal na ibinibigay mo sa kanya. Like, you're being the mother figure here. Maybe lahat ng pangailangan niya or something, pinaprovide niya sa'yo, binibigay niya sa'yo. And the Two of Spades is here. So, nandun yung parang, Alam mo yung kung tatanungin, kailangan kita, mahal kita, so mas ang sagot dito is yung kailangan kita. So nakikita ka nitong person to as kailangan ka niya kasi you are providing, you are giving all these things na kailangan niya, na gusto niya. And at the same time, nandun yung I feel like more on money yung lumalabas na energy dito. Yung person na to, nakikita ka niya as someone na with money. And I will tell you the truth. Ito kasing person na to, nakikita niya yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Mahal niya yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo, mga pinoprovide mo. And, yun yun. Yun na yun. Yun yung nagustuhan niya sa'yo. Kasi you can provide, you can give yung mga kailangan niya, etc. Pero with regards to real love, hindi ko yun nakuha sa person mo. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future sa inyong dalawa? The Five of Clover is here. Queen of Diamonds. The Five of Spades. Nine of Diamonds is here. Money is good. May success tayo nakikita pagdating sa money. Pagdating sa person na kakonect mo, Nine of Clover, Two of Clover, and Six of Clover. I can see challenges, lalo na sa mga plano niya in the past na akala niya mag-workout para sa kanya, but unfortunately, hindi ito mag-workout para sa kanya. Nagkaroon siya ng mga expectations na hindi matutuloy sa, hindi mangyayari yung mga expectations niya na ito. Lalo na with the Two of Clover, that is just all plan, pero walang patutunguhan. The Seven of Hearts is here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. So, nakakita tayo dito ng person who will love you. But unfortunately, this is not the person na nakikita natin. Meron tayo who is already mature, mas dapat pagkatiwalaan, mas kapareho mo. And this person will show you yung love or emotions na ito once you have already moved on dito sa taong to. So, all you have to do is, of course, mag-move on. Focus on yourself. Kasi itong person na to, wala kang mapapala sa kanya. Medyo immature siya and, you know, I can see a person na user. So, ayaw mo naman mag-settle sa ganun. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.